Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. So I'm first going to talk about it, then I've got the filter in the freezer and we're going to see how cold the air gets. Okay, so when you unbox it, it talks about a filter. Now if you slide this out, there is a filter right here. Put that in the freezer, soak it in water first and then put it in the freezer. So behind that we've got like a filter and then these two little like valves right here. That's gonna like let the cool water come out. Now again, this slides and just kind of snap it back into place. Up at the top, this is where you're gonna put the water. There's like a water chamber here, and you can fill this full of ice too. Around back, it's gonna suck the air in here and blow it out the front, and we can direct it with these vents right here. Now you do have to plug it in for it to work, but it takes USB-C. 5 volts, it says 1.5 to 2 amps. So it's not battery operated, you don't charge it up. In order for it to work, it has to be plugged in the whole time. It does come with this AC adapter that puts out 1.5 amps. And it's got a really long cord. Okay, so around back you got the controls. Here's for turbo. So I'll kind of describe them to you. So this is kind of for the fan. Medium, and then it's got low, and then the next switch is off. So press it again, it goes to full. So that's for turbo cool. Then this is just to direct the cooling. So you've got two, low and high for cooling. And then this is just for the fan. And then this is the LED light. You can change the color of the LED light. It's very cool. But again, if you want to turn it off, just kind of cycle down to low, medium, and then all the way to off. Okay, so this has just got blowing air through it. I don't have the thing in there to do any kind of cooling, so about 76 degrees coming out of there. Now here's the thing that I put in the freezer. Again, this is like a sponge area. You're gonna soak this in water, then put this whole thing in the freezer, and that way it gets nice and cold. Okay, again, so slide that tray out. It says place filter here. That label's on top. So place it in there like this. It's got like a little area that it sits. Okay, it can be just a little tricky, but once you get it lined up, then you're simply going to press this in. Yeah, that goes in. Okay, so I got 2 cups of water. Let's pour the water in the top here. So that's just about, I could add just a little bit more. But you can add some ice cubes. That does help with this. Okay, so let's turn it on turbo. So I got turbo cooling. It's cooling at maximum rate. Now again, the LEDs really shine through the front really good. Different colors. It's kind of a neat feature. So inside there, you'll notice there's kind of a mist. Now I took this open just for demonstration, but we can see those 2 valves in there. They're creating kind of an air mist. And then the fan's kind of what's circulating it. So again, I put the filter back in. Okay, so it's only been running for maybe a couple minutes and we're already at 67 degrees coming out. But the air does feel pretty nice. Okay, so we've been running now for about 5 minutes and we're up down to around 60 degrees coming out. Must have different modes because I must have put it into a mode for the lighting to keep changing color. Okay, so it's about 8 minutes now and we're down to around 54 degrees. So it does feel really nice. Really nice. And again, I can change the fan speed. You know, it definitely is quieter when you got it on the low. That's medium. There's low. Low is very quiet, but it's not a super amount of air coming through there, but you can still feel it. I can still feel that air. So this little Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0 really works pretty good. Thanks everybody for watching.